I don't know. I just wanted to do the film with me, and Bujji Babu Sonnavana, I just liked the subject and accepted. And I spoke to Ramcharan sir also. That day itself I spoke to him. That was a very. And afterwards, unfortunately, I met with. I just detected cancer. Then I was supposed to go for US and come, but they waited for me. I thought, shall we cancel or don't want? But Bujji Babu sir said, no, we want you. It was so sweet of him, and they waited for me so long, and I'm very thankful to you, sir. So beautiful it is, and wonderful journey. Peddi, I'll just say only one thing. Peddi is just a journey of one person who goes in his life, what all he faces, very naturally. Enna face pananga adella in the film la irukum. And in that, how many people he made, because எல்லாரையும் ஒரு ஜர்னில வந்து ரொம்ப பேரை பார்ப்போம், என்ன பார்ப்பாங்க, இன்னொருத்தர் பார்ப்பாங்க. ஸோ அந்த பர்சன்ஸோட என்ன ஒரு ரிலேஷன்ஸ் இருக்கு, வாட் பாண்டேஜ் இருக்குது, பாண்டேஜ் எடுத்து போய் சொசைட்டிக்கு என்ன ஒரு மெசேஜ் கொடுக்குறான்னு தான் அந்த சப்ஜெக்ட். வண்டர்ஃபுல் ரைட்டிங் பை Bujji Babu sir, and